guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the fail to verify username error on Aternos servers. Let's get started. First, head over to the website Aternos and log in to your account. Now head over to the option servers. Choose the server that's giving you the error. Click on it to open up the server dashboard. Before making any changes, you'll need to stop your server. Just click the stop button and wait until the server fully shuts down. This ensures your settings save properly. Next, go to the Options tab. Inside, you will see the Server Properties settings. Look for the option called Cracked. By default, this is usually turned off. Turn the Cracked option on. This setting allows players who are not logged in with a Premium, Mojang, or Microsoft account to still join the server. After enabling it, refresh the page to make sure this setting is saved. Now go back to your server dashboard. Hit Start and wait for it to load. Once it's online again, join your world in Minecraft. The fail to verify username error should be gone. And that's it. That's how you fix the Aternos fail to verify username error in just a few minutes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.